Another of the great waterfalls of the Amazon, this stunning two-step drop in the Amazonas province of Peru falls over 2,000 feet down an almost sheer cliff face. The fifth highest waterfall in the world also has a reasonable amount of water pouring over the cliff, giving it a slightly more solid look than some like the Angel Falls where the water becomes a spray as it falls. Like many of the waterfalls in South America, it has only recently really become a well-known attraction, having been discovered in a remote area. Getting to the waterfalls is usually via a stop at the town of Chachapoyas. While there is slightly more impressive accommodation, with great views of the falls found in a hotel around 6 miles away. The last few miles to the foot of the falls must be completed on foot. While the view is often obscured by fog and mist, but on those days when it can be seen in the sun, it is a truly spectacular sight.